Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, please ignore this dude right here. Say hello. Just say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. Please excuse him. He has his own YouTube channel and he thinks that this is for him, but it's not.
Okay, part 2. Lucky.
Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have a bare face. I have a bare face today, and I'm just barefacing it today. And the purpose of this video is not about makeup at all. It's about lip scrubs. So the purpose of a lip scrub is an exfoliating agent that gets rid of the dull skin, dead skin, and it gives your lips like a glowy look again, without the like peeling pieces and stuff like that. So the lip scrub that I'll be using, this lip scrub is from KEYYSGLAMTRAPP. I am on her PR list. Let's see if I can. This is the scrub. It smells like really good. It smells like fruity, like watermelon or something. It smells really good. But so today's video is going to be definitely a little bit different. It's not about makeup or anything. It's about skincare, I guess you could say. It's about a lip scrub. So a lip scrub is basically an exfoliating agent. It can be made out of natural things, and it's helped to, you scrub it on your lips and it gets rid of all like the dead skin and the dullness of the lips, and it gives it that juicy, shiny, healthy look, if you can say, if that's what you want to call it. But yeah, so the lip scrub that I'll be using today is from KEYYSGLAMTRAPP. She has lip scrubs. I forgot the prices of them, but they're cheap. They're not expensive. All her products, all her things that she carry are very inexpensive. So this is how it looks on the inside. My camera just won't focus on it, but this is how it looks on the inside, and I can show you guys actually the consistency of it. So you can see, I don't know if it, so this is the consistency of it right there. And so what I'm going to do is just apply it on my lips. You want to apply it with there's like nothing on your lips, like when your lips are just in their natural dry state. And what I do is I work it in like this and press down. I let my lip scrub sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then like I'll go like brush my hair or start my eyebrows if I'm wearing makeup. Start my eyebrows or whatever. It looks so crazy, but I'm telling you, the benefits of it is so good. Some of them are edible. I'm not sure this one's edible, but one time I forgot and I licked it. Nothing happened to me, so I figured it was okay, you know. But I'm just, for the purpose of this video, so people don't think, oh, I can eat it, I'm just going to wipe it off instead of just what's the word? Instead of licking it off. So I'll be back in about 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna wipe it off. We are back, and now I'm just gonna wipe it off. I'm just using a cloth. It's a little damp, and we're just gonna wipe it off and then go from there. So so this is my lips now. They feel more hydrated. They feel softer, and yeah. So then for me, after I get done with my lip scrub, I usually just put a little oil on my lips just to moisturize them up. Any type of oils, doesn't matter. I just use the moisturizing oil. Ignore my ash, but I put oil in it, and then I go about my day. The oil moisturizes into my lips, and I have soft lips all throughout the day. I highly recommend using it every day, especially in the wintertime, because in the wintertime it's like dry as fuck outside, and our skin gets really dry and peely and breaks. So you want to make sure that you're using it every day, you know. use it while you're in the shower or something. Just make it relevant or whatever. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I have about this video. It was a super quick, easy video. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this a video make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.